Pwede po ba dyan mag-dine-in yung hindi Mindanao? I was like, yes, of course. Kasi yun nga po talaga yung isang goal nitong Torogan Cafe.
Talagang once upon a time, yung pagkain natin, it really connects everyone. So ayaw namin mawala yon. We don't want also to claim that Beef Rendang is really amin-amin lang because atin-atin siya talaga lahat.
I am Hanimay Indol Makumbal Yusof. I am the General Manager of Torogan Cafe.
My name is Norcalila May Mambuay Kangkong. I'm the manager and co-owner of Babu Kwan's restaurant.
We are very fortunate that we have the Maranaos in our region. In Cagayan de Oro, we have a lot of Maranaos who have been studying here. And fortunately, some have invested in food outlets, particularly Torogan Cafe. And we have Babu Kwan, one of our well-known halal certified restaurants.
Babu Kwan is actually from two words, Babu and Kwan. So Babu in Maranao means auntie, tita, and Kwan is a common Filipino word for something. So we thought of conceptualizing a restaurant na luto siya ng auntie because it's our auntie who usually spoils us with good food. Di po ba yung mga mommies na auntie rin ng mga pamangkin niya. So meaning, Babu Kwan is a representation of a female figure in every Filipino family. Hindi siya nag-iisang figure but lahat tayo ay pwede tayong maging Babu Kwan rin. So yun po yung idea niya. We wanted to have a restaurant na nag-offer ng talagang halal na comfort food.
Good morning, Denmark! Torogan Cafe is a traditional themed Mindanao coffee shop. Torogan literally means a sleeping place or a resting place. So basically a house. It's a traditional house built by the Maranaos, the people of Lanao. It's a symbol of high social status because such a residence was once a home to the datus or sultans. Torogan Cafe is Muslim-owned. We're Muslim-friendly. We observe the qualities that makes the food halal. We incorporate it in our food culture, in our food preparation. The sources, the ingredients, it's actually halal.
The Beef Rendang is our special dish talaga. Some say na galing talaga siya sa Indonesia. Meron din Malaysia because we are Southeast Asian after all. So talagang once upon a time, yung pagkain natin, it really connects everyone. So ayaw namin mawala yon. We don't want also to claim that Beef Rendang is really amin-amin lang because atin-atin siya talaga lahat. I'm going to show you how to make the beef rendang. First, I will be adding the beef. It already has turmeric powder. I will be adding toasted grated rice. Then the wet palapa. Next, chilies, garlic, and onion. This turmeric powder. And then of course, salt to taste. So this rendang mixture is infused with all the flavors of chili, turmeric, garlic, and onion, as well as the palapa. I'm now going to cook this beef rendang till the meat becomes tender. And of course, add the lemongrass, kumet leaves, red bell pepper. After an hour, I will now be adding coconut cream. This is our secret soy. After a few minutes, I will now be adding dried palapa and then tiulo. Ito siya, this is the grated toasted coconut. We will just leave this for additional 30 minutes para talaga ma-infuse yung flavors.
One of our Torogan house specialties na isa ring bestseller namin ngayon ay yung aming Dato Abilangataw or also known as the native coffee. So first, we're going to need our hot water, fine ground native coffee, and our French press. So first, open your French press, get about 2 scoops of your fine ground native coffee, and now you're ready for your hot water. To stir the mixture, then using the French press, you're now actually brewing your very own native coffee. And now you're ready for a good serving of local native coffee. Ang bango. Iba talaga pag native.
When you experience it in the ambience that you're surrounded by Maranao crafts and arts and Maranao music, it's really fantastic. It's a different, one-of-a-kind experience.
Talagang mapapanatag kami na pag makita mo talaga yung food, ito ay Muslim friendly o halal certified. Lalo na ito yung babukan. Masya Allah, first time na nakita ko yung halal certified sila, talagang pumasok na kami dito at kumain kami, napakasaya namin.
Our proximity to Iligan City and to Marawi made the halal ingredients available for us. And then you have the freshness of the beef, the chicken, and the vegetables. Overall, it's really an explosion of flavors, kumbaga. We really recommend that you try it.
We want to be a meeting place for both Maranaos and non-Maranaos, Muslims and non-Muslims alike. We want to show na, you know what, we can all come here for a good cup of coffee to talk about the similarities that we have.
Parang it's a bragging right ng every family now. They have the best rendang in town. So ang sa amin, kaya nga our label is the best halal beef rendang kasi we take on the pride that we are halal certified. They're not buying only the food, but they're buying quality, clean, halal food.